Have you ever wondered why, despite having all the financial knowledge, some people still struggle with money management? Could it be that our emotions and biases play a significant role than we realize? This is the central theme explored by Morgan Housel in his book The Psychology of Money. In the first chapter, Housel delves into the impact of personal experiences on financial behavior. He posits that our money habits are shaped more by the experiences we have had rather than the economic theories we have learned. In the second chapter, he explores the role of luck in decision making. Here, Housel challenges the notion that financial success is purely a result of hard work and skill, suggesting that luck often plays a part too. In the third chapter, he discusses the importance of defining enough. He emphasizes that the endless pursuit of wealth can lead to dissatisfaction and stress. The fourth chapter covers the challenges of preserving wealth. Housel asserts that earning money and keeping it are two different skills, and the latter often requires more discipline and long-term thinking. In the fifth chapter, he discusses the impact of rare events on our financial lives. He cautions that we should always expect the unexpected and be prepared for it. Moving to the sixth chapter, Housel talks about the trade-offs between freedom and security. In the seventh chapter, Housel warns against prioritizing appearances over financial well-being. He highlights that the dangers of living beyond one's means just to keep up with the social expectations. In the eighth chapter, he emphasizes the importance of saving money. In the ninth chapter, he advocates for a rational and disciplined approach to investing. He warns against the allure of quick riches and reminds us that slow and steady wins the race. In the final chapter, he discusses the value of investing in oneself. He argues that our knowledge and skills are valuable. In conclusion, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel provides a fresh perspective on money management. It challenges conventional wisdom and encourages us to examine our own behaviors. It reminds us that financial success is not just about making money, but also about managing emotions, making wise decisions, and maintaining a long-term perspective. It's a must-read book for anyone looking to gain a better understanding of the complex relationship between money and human behavior. Thanks for watching.